Hey there, thank you for clicking my video. This wig was sent to me from Nadula Hair to review / show and tell for anyone that's interested on what this wig looks like from the Nadula Hair website. When you order, you get goodies in the box. I got a Nadula silk wig bag, a bonnet, 4 wig caps, 2 edge bands, eyelashes, a makeup brush, and a headband. Here's a close-up of what inside of the wig looks like. It comes with a 4x4 closure. You get 2 combs in the front, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps. As for the cap material, it is a stretch fit material, and the lace is soft lace. Also, the hair comes pre-colored for you. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box. Here's a close-up of the hairline. You only get lace on the forehead. So on the forehead, the lace lightly comes pre-plucked, but the knots do not come bleached. As for going in and bleaching the knots, I am not sure. I believe you can because this is a human hair wig. I'm not going to show you guys how I fully plucked the hairline because I don't want to hold up too much of your time. But I did go in and customize the hairline a bit just to make it a little more jagged. To style the hair, I'm going in with that spray bottle and 5-Star Wigs Curl Cream. I did not use the Nair OB Rapid Shine. I thought I was going to use it, but I didn't use it. So first I section off the back of the wig and I go in first and spray it with some water. Then I'm going to go in with the curl cream to help lock in the curls. This is how the wig looks while it's still wet after I was done defining the curls. Now I'm going to cut off the extra lace in the front because we do not need it. So when I cut off the extra lace in the front, I like to use eyebrow scissors. And what make cutting the lace off so easy and beginner friendly, you just cutting off the lace on the forehead. So I just cut it in little zigzag motions. This help with like the line of demarcation while it's sitting on your skin. So the line of demarcation with the lace and your skin isn't so harsh and noticeable. I left the wig to air dry overnight, and this is what it looks like the next day. There's also lace that's in the nape area. Be sure to cut that as well. And right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps. Underneath the lace, I already applied makeup powder, but I only applied it to the parting space and hairline. The hairline is still coming off light on my skin, so I'm going to go in with this makeup brush that I use for foundation and a leftover foundation that's on the brush. I'm going to wipe it on top of the lace on the hairline. Now I'm going to take this bedhead hardhead spray and spray one layer of this on the hairline of the lace just so I could keep it down for this wig show and tell, and it also helped the lace blend into my skin more. But to me, the lace looked pretty good without any product, but if you would like a nice hold throughout the day so your wig don't move, then I recommend applying some glue or spray. Okay, not bad, not bad. I was debating on if I wanted to add baby hairs to this, but I was like, I think I'm gonna just leave the baby hairs out today because I do that all the time. So I want to show you guys what this wig will look like without the baby hairs. But the parting space could use a little bit more powder. So I'm going to go in with that Maybelline Fit Me powder. And if I didn't mention before, the shade is 360. And I apply some of this powder on top of the lace to the parting space and the hairline. This not only helped the parting space look a little bit more like scalp, but it also helped hide the knots and the grid on the lace as well. Talk about an easy install or what? And the great part about it, it's kind of giving fake frontalness. I know that's not a word, I just made that up. But it looked like if I was to pull it back, you'd have thought I had a frontal on, but it's really not a frontal, so we're going to keep that between us. But I love how the hair comes pre-colored for you. I've seen a lot of frontal wigs that come pre-colored like this for you, but it's rare to find a nice 4x4 closure wig, especially not a 5x5, a 4x4 closure. I never really liked 4x4 closures because I always liked more parting space on my wig, but this one is really nice. Like, I see 4x4 closures is making a comeback. The hair density isn't too thick on the wig. I feel like it's 150%, so it's not too thick, not too thin. Really nice for every day. When I was styling the wig, I received 0 tangling, no tangles at all. As for shedding, to be honest, you guys, shedding was very low, and as it should be. I thought I was going to get a lot of shedding since I went in and plucked the hairline, but I really didn't go in and pluck that much. When I split the hair in the back, there isn't any track showing, and you can't see my wig cap. Yay! And I like how the coloring with the blonde highlights isn't too harsh with the roots. Like, there's no harsh line of demarcation with the color. It's a really nice fade. Also, if I am correct, this wig only come in one size only. My head circumference is 22 inches and it has a nice snug fit. As you guys saw, I hooked the adjustable straps close, but not too close. So if you have a smaller head, I recommend crisscrossing the adjustable straps or, you know, adding your own elastic band so it could feel more secure. My height is 5'6", and the length of the wig on me, I would say, is no more than 20 to 22 inches. And let me not forget to mention, it is big head friendly. I just recommend hooking your adjustable straps a little more further away, like towards the end. But here is a close-up of the hairline for when the wind blows, and that doesn't bother me at all because it's so easy to just put on and go. You can even take the wig off at night, clean the hairline, and just spray it the next day if you want, or sleep in it, whichever one works for you, because this is human hair quality, so this quality does last a little longer than synthetic wigs, so you can get a lot of wears out of it. The 4 inches of parting space isn't bad at all. It's like having a 13x4 closure, but instead of the front being 13 inches, it's only 4 inches. It still goes with the style of the wig. Ooh, another thing to keep in mind is when you take your wig off at night, not only it helps the wig last longer, but your curls will already be done for the next day, especially if you put it on the mannequin head. I really don't have any cons. Some people might say the con is that I went in and plucked the hairline, but the hairline didn't come bad. I just wanted to pluck it some more to my liking. I do believe this wig is very, very, very beginner friendly. Or if you're a person that want the frontal look but don't want to go through the hassle of styling a frontal every morning or every day or whatever, then I totally recommend, especially if you've been looking for the style that's really popular but not in frontal form and in closure form, then this is perfect. If you guys have any questions though, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. See you guys later.